Tired of AI generating results you didn't ask for? Let's master negative prompts in Leonardo AI. First, navigate to the Leonardo AI platform and locate the main text prompt area where you input your desired image description. Below your main prompt, you'll find a dedicated box labeled Negative Prompt. This is where the magic happens. Anything you type in this box tells Leonardo AI what not to include in your generated image. For instance, if your images consistently have strange artifacts, you might type blurry, low quality, deformed into the negative prompt. See the difference? On the left, we didn't use negative prompts, resulting in a less than ideal output on the right. By adding blurry, low quality, the AI avoided those issues. Want to steer the style? If you're aiming for a painterly look but keep getting photorealistic results, add photorealistic to your negative prompt. This allows you to precisely control the output, removing elements that detract from your vision and ensuring your AI-generated art is exactly how you imagine it. Experiment with different negative prompts to achieve unparalleled control and generate images that truly align with your creative intent.